What is up, beautiful people? Welcome to my channel. My name is Alexandra, and if you're new, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to tap into the professional side of myself. I'm a legal practitioner, notary public, and conveyancer. And in today's video, I'm going to really lean more into the legal profession part of my career. I want to talk to you guys about domestic violence. I want to share with you how you can deal with an abusive person legally, how you can deal with someone who's abusive, but dealing with them the legal way. The first thing which you need to do is to establish and find out where the nearest magistrate's court is, and particularly we are talking about the civil division. So yes, once you get to identify where the nearest magistrate civil court is in your area, you approach the clerk of court, you indicate to them that you are experiencing abuse. Now the advice that I'm going to give you today is coming from the four corners of the Domestic Violence Act. Yes, so you approach the clerk of court for the domestic violence court, and then you indicate to them that you are experiencing abuse, be it physical, psychological, emotional, economical. Hence, you are seeking assistance to get a protection order or a peace order. Now, the difference between a protection order and a peace order is simply that a protection order is an order which you get for someone who is close to you, whom you have a closer relationship with, and you might be staying at the same place or you might not be staying at the same place. A peace order is an order which you get for someone who is not close to you and someone who doesn't really stay with you, someone who stays at another place, at another location. So moving along, the clerk of court will then give you the forms which you need to fill in your particulars as well as the particulars of the other person, which we call the respondent. You also have to fill in your claim, how the person is abusing you. Are they assaulting you? Are they saying hurtful things? So you really need to articulate your claim against that person. Why are you saying that they are physically abusing you? You indicate that they beat me every now and then. For instance, on this day, at what time, this is what they did, witnesses were there, whatnot and whatnot. And then once you're done with that, you also move to the section where you have to now state your relief. Now you also have to be clear and concise here. You indicate what you want the court to do. Because when you file a claim with a court of law, you have to really articulate your claim and establish your claim. And once you're done with that, you also have to indicate what sort of relief you are seeking from the court. That is your prayer, and that is your draft order. Indicate that, wherefore I pray that this honorable court order that the respondent be interdicted from physically assaulting me, from verbally abusing me, or saying any hurtful words to me. Once you're done with that, the clerk of court will get the papers and they will take the papers to a magistrate who is going to give you an interim order. They are going to give you an interim order which will be operative until the return day. The return day is also a date which the magistrate will put on your papers to indicate that you and the other person have to come back to court on that date, and the court will hear the matter and then grant an order as it sees and deems fit. Once you get your papers from the clerk of court with the return date, you now have to go and serve the other person. The clerk of court will also tell you that, look, you need to serve these papers. However, this is done through the police. So you approach the nearest police station, and then the police will assist in having the papers served. Once the papers are served, you then come back to court, and the court will hear your matter. And if the respondent is present, they can try to defend themselves. They can defend themselves or whatever. If they engage a lawyer, that's still up to them, and a court will finally grant an order after hearing parties. I want you to note that this process is for free, unless if you're someone who feels that you need the assistance of a legal practitioner who can assist you in doing the application and appearing in court and responding to the court, because sometimes you might have a respondent who then goes to engage a legal practitioner, and it might be quite difficult for you to be handling a legal practitioner when you are a self-actor. So if you are able, you can then engage a legal practitioner. practitioner as well. But if you're just by a self-actor, this process is absolutely free. All you need is your money for transport to be moving to and from the court, and as well as going to the police station, asking for their assistance to serve the other person. Now, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you know someone who is being abused or someone who is in an abusive relationship, share this video with them. And once again, do not forget to like, to comment, to share, and to subscribe to this channel. And for those of you who have been supporting me, girlfriend is grateful. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.